JavaScript has evolved significantly since its 1990s introduction. Older JavaScript features were often awkward and difficult to manage in large projects. In 2015, ES6 was released, a major update to the language. This update introduced features making JavaScript more powerful, cleaner, and easier to maintain. These improvements are now standard in modern web, server-side, and mobile development. Let's explore some of the most impactful ES6 features simply. Before ES6, var was used for variables, but its scope behavior could be unpredictable. ES6 introduced let for mutable variables and const for fixed values. Use const for fixed settings and let for values that will update, like counters. This leads to fewer mistakes and cleaner code. Functions are key in JavaScript, but previously required more boilerplate. Arrow functions simplify this with a shorter, cleaner syntax. Crucially, arrow functions handle this context predictably. This eliminates many confusing bugs in event handlers and callbacks. Arrow functions enhance code readability, especially in modern programming styles. Building strings was frustrating, requiring awkward concatenation with plus signs. ES6 introduced template literals for multi-line text and direct variable insertion. This clarifies user messages in dynamic HTML, improving readability and reducing errors. Before ES6, developers manually checked for fallback values in functions. Now, functions define default values in their signature, reducing setup and preventing bugs. Destructuring allows extracting data from objects or lists in a single statement. This is useful for large data structures, server responses, or configuration objects. It avoids repetitive code, clearly expressing desired data, like specific object properties or array parts. Destructuring makes data handling much more elegant. The spread operator expands arrays or objects into individual elements. This simplifies combining lists, copying structures, and passing values to functions. The rest operator works oppositely, collecting multiple items into a single array. It's great for functions with unknown arguments, making JavaScript more expressive and reducing boilerplate. JavaScript's object blueprint syntax was historically messy and inconsistent. ES6 introduced the class keyword, making object-oriented programming more traditional. This provides a cleaner, more intuitive way to structure reusable components. Classes make code easier to read, teach, and maintain, even if built on older mechanisms. As applications grow, keeping all code in one file becomes impossible. ES6 introduced a module system to split and import code across files. This aids reusability, organization, avoids naming conflicts, speeds debugging, and cleans architecture. Modern JavaScript development heavily relies on modules. ES6 transformed JavaScript into a modern environment for large-scale applications. These features improve readability, reduce errors, and enable more expressive logic. They also pave the way for frameworks like React, Vue, Svelte, and modern Node.js. ES6 brought powerful improvements, making JavaScript cleaner, consistent, and easier to use. Features like let/const, arrow functions, template literals, destructuring, spread, classes, and modules help developers write clearer, error-free logic. These features are now standard, used everywhere from small scripts to enterprise web applications. ES6 didn't just upgrade JavaScript, it shaped the modern web.